Good day to you all. This video is about when you build in an SSD hard drive and it's not showing up in your screen. What you gonna do then? I'm gonna make a tutorial about it in the old-fashioned way. What you gonna do? Go to this screen. Again, a little bit slower. That. The wheel. And here you got, and then you're gonna type in configuration screen. That is the old-fashioned way. And in that, you can see everything. And here you have system. When you put on system, here you have computer. This one. And on here you got disks or disk space. And here you got your disks. And here is gonna show up. It's disk free. That's a new one. We're gonna put it in. And now this one is the big screen. Sorry, the big disk. That's 4,000 gigabytes. What you're gonna do then? Gonna make a new simple volume. You leave everything in the screen. Next. And now he's pronouncing that he's gonna call the new disk G. Yes, I want it. And here you can give it another name. And I'll put in big disk. And now, what we're gonna see now, we have now a new hard drive. Is on your screen. This PC is now big disk. And in Windows, it's gonna say to you it's 3,72 terabytes. So I built it in the disk, and now the big disk is built in, and it's working. And it's working perfect now. That's the way, for me, that's the old-fashioned, most simple way to build in a new SSD hard drive. I hope this video was helpful. See you in my next video. A big thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe. And the most important, be safe. See you next time. Bye bye.